welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about renovating an old Godrej Almira. I can't wait to show you guys how it all went. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe. So guys, this is the Almira that I'll be renovating. You can see how everything is cluttered and it looks so shabby and dirty. Also you can see the sticker marks and everything, so I just recently pulled out the stickers and some way tried to clean the Almira. This wardrobe is almost as old as my age, almost 25 years around, so I am really excited to revamp it. So to start off with the procedure, I ordered 2 rolls of these PVC self-adhesive stickers from Amazon. The link is already given in the description. I ordered 2 rolls for my Almira and these are super cheap and also looks very pretty. Before starting the pasting, make sure you clean your Almira with a Colleen and make sure it's really clean, otherwise you will tend to develop bubbles on the stickers. So I cleaned my Almira and then I started to take measurements of each shutters. Always try to take an extra ½ inch from the sides so that you can adjust it, otherwise you can see what happened to me. I had to pull it out completely and the paper got wasted. So my next trial was a hit. I took extra ½ inches from the sides, and the next trick is to paste your stickers inch by inch. You don't have to completely take off the back slip and paste the entire sticker. You have to take inch by inch and then straighten it with a ruler and follow the techniques as per the video. So guys, I'll again tell you, it's really important to clean your surface because I literally didn't clean it so well, so I started to develop bubbles and the finishing was not that good, but I would really suggest you to do a good cleanup before pasting anything. So similarly, I marked the other shutter and then marked the handle and keyholes accordingly, and yeah, so that's it. That's how I completed the front facade. And then similarly I completed both the sides, and do not forget to also paste the stickers on the edges. It's equally important to give it a good finishing, and the top as well. So this is how my Almira looks right now. It's all done from the sides, top and front. So guys, as I said, you will develop bubbles if you don't clean your surface well, and also since we are not experts, so these few mistakes will definitely arise. So the only way to fix it is, you can see how I am doing. Just have to make a small hole on the top of every bubble and then press the air out of it. Yeah, so you just have to clean the bubbles, the bigger ones which you see. Of course, it took me 30 minutes to fix it all. It's a tedious process, but definitely it will give a good finishing to the wardrobe. So guys, you can see I cleaned almost 90% of the bubbles and now it looks almost perfect. So next I thought of making a storage box for my Almira to keep my utilities and all the important stuffs. I camouflaged the storage box with the Almira by pasting the same sticker and then did the partitions according to my usage. So guys, I am now really relaxed to put all my stuffs systematically in order, and now it's looking super clean. So according to me, design is how you keep your areas clean, how well you maintain your spaces and how well you style it. So I filled the top with everything beautiful, made these pin-up boards from the leftover plywood pieces. So since these boards are placed at a very good corner, it always reminds me of the unfinished works and the to-do list. Also, I have kept a bundle of sticky notes inside the storage box. I quickly write my important stuffs, notes and stick it on my board. Also, I made a small macrame hanger and put it on my handle. So this is the final look of my wardrobe, and I'm really happy and satisfied with whatever I've achieved. I completely love the look. And if you guys enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.